Hey, it's James Nicholson, just travelling down Route 66 still, and I just saw this place and had to stop. Look at it, the world's largest gift store. I know that's back to front to you guys, but it's absolutely massive in there. Have you ever been to America? Picture a Walmart, it's that kind of size, and they have got every single type of gift that you can think of related to Route 66. It is absolutely crazy inside there, right? Now, the reason I stopped here was because it just stood out to me, and I thought, interesting, intrigued. I wanted to see what it was all about. And in your business, you need to be standing out in your marketplace and being different in the market, because when you do that, people will be interested and they will make a commitment to talk to you, make an inquiry. And by standing out above your competitors, that's where you're really going to start getting some impact in business. And a lot of us, we play too small. These guys clearly don't play small, right? Look at the size of this place. It goes back an absolute mile as well, and is absolutely to the rafters. And not playing small for them has benefited them. There's a car park full of people, there's a whole car park around the side as well that's full of people, and it's got intrigue. It's got them into guidebooks as well, because they have something significant that nobody else has. So that's important, that your business stands out, is significant, and is different to your competitors. By doing that, then you'll claim your market share and you'll be more successful than maybe you are right now. So think about how you can be different in your business. Maybe ask some questions in the comments below. I'd love to help. If you're loving these videos, then do like the page, subscribe to the page wherever you're watching it, comment below. That motivates me to make more of these videos. And until next time, I'll see you very soon. And last thing quickly, actually, before I forget, if you haven't got a copy of my new book, Expert Mastery, I'm going to put a link to that around this video. So above this or below it, wherever it is, there's a link. You can get yourself a free copy of Expert Mastery, and we'll ship that to you in the next few days. So do that now, grab your book, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye for now.